I was going to preach today, and someone calls me in the morning. And they say, "Hey man, I've gotten this text message. And I have a lot of people I minister to who are not in the church. So they come and tell me, Rob, this guy, I think my message on Tuesday really arrived at its destination." So what ended up happening, he talks to people to come tell me, "Robert, if you don't stop, he'll talk about you. He'll destroy the little ministry you're doing." He had people text my mom. And I told my mom, "It's fine. This ministry stood in the gap when you lied to Daystar Television about your TV and about the transformers they gave. But you can't text my mother. Like I said, Kayanja men are fine. You can keep it with us. You can't send someone to my mom." I remember this day very clearly. And said we need to support them and help them. So Eve Seyonga came here, picked money. In most cases, it wasn't just 2 million. It was even more. Because they were going to take the church and the TV station. And my father said, "Nobody's taking churches. Nobody." You're causing tears in the hearts of so many with lies. With lies. You don't want to go to the police, you want to argue on a platform. I'm sorry, but you are not an authority in the country. If you have to be reminded of that. I meet people here and I have to encourage them. I meet people outside, I have to encourage them. They are so mad. The whole country is in a standstill of worrying for the church as a whole. And there's no need to worry about the church. Church, hear me. There's a revival here. Miracle signs and wonders are happening. Apostle Grace is doing a phenomenal job. Worship Harvest is doing a great job. Watoto is doing a great job. Lives are being saved. I've never seen so many people come to Jesus in our children's ministry, in our youth ministry. One man has cast a shadow to make the country think we must fast and pray. Don't fall trap to someone who has been lying their whole life. We are the only country where I can tell you we have churches everywhere, street preachers everywhere. The first daughter is a pastor. What crisis are you casting over this land? That is not a declaration. People don't declare that over this country, that the church is in crisis. It's one man. So many young pastors getting married. So many people getting married. Besides the church, a family is the biggest thing you can build for Christ. But people feel discouraged because one man has reached a point where I can't sit here and tell you what his problem is. Because we don't know. I've had private conversations with his son. Those are issues I will never air. I was with him at school, but I don't know what his issue is. It's not just us. There are other ministries which are being attacked daily by him. People call and ask, but what is the issue with that man? We left, leaving him